Good morning, Dan from DJMoore Lofts, and today we're in Leighton Buzzard and we're going to show you a project that Steve and Mario have been on for the last probably about 2.5 weeks now. So this is a bungalow that we've been working on, done a lot of work on this one. So this one's going to create, I believe, 2 if not 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, so it's a large amount of work gone into this one. But bizarrely, it already had a Velux conversion up there, which was done quite poorly, to be honest with you. So we've had to remove everything to start from scratch, to be able to start from scratch. And yeah, Steve and Mario have had their work cut out on this one. We're literally putting a whole new roof on it. We've got these 2 2-metre wide dormers on the front, and then we've also got a full flat roof dormer on the back. So quite a large amount of space. And then on top of that, the dormers are going to be finished in a larch cladding, a horizontal larch cladding, which is going to look amazing. I mean, we're on a main road here as well, so it's going to look fantastic. We're having to also put a whole new roof on it as well. So you'll see here we've got some large stills that we've had to remove from the Velux conversion, just purely because they were there was nothing wrong with the stills, but they were just in the way, and we've got smaller stills that are going in place to minimise the impact on the head height. So we've got 2 steel beams that have had to come out, quite large amounts of stuff that have had to come out. But Steve and Mario have made the most of the nice weather and cracked on. Started getting some of the lead in around the dormers and stuff as well, which is nice. And then we've got these new Marley tiles that they've started working up there as well. So yeah, looking lovely. But if we go around the back, you'll see where the real space is. So we've got a lovely 9.5 metre wide dormer, I believe it is. Quite a large dormer. Look at that. We've got a monster dormer on the back as well. Some of our stills that we haven't had to use, just purely because we were able to manipulate some of the existing stills. So that one we've brought out, obviously you've seen, but we've been able to move some of the others around to utilise it. Jump in here now. Just turn that radio off. Copyrights. Morning, boys.
Morning.
Look at that space. So it looks like they're just putting some of the floor down now, which is nice. But yeah, look at how much beneficial this dormers are giving the space. So you can imagine that grey brickwork you can see was the original structure of the roof, so it was a Velux conversion. They already had the stairs in, so we've been able to keep the existing stairs, which is nice. We've just had to re-chim everything. Got one of the red stills that has been able to keep and move back over there. And we've been able to keep the original ridge beam as well that was up there, but we've jacked it up a little bit. See there, we've gained a little bit more. Bizarrely, I'm not too sure why, as a Velux conversion it doesn't need a ridge beam, but there was a large steel beam in there. So yeah, thankfully we've been able to manipulate that to suit. But what a space. A large area. So I believe one of these is going to be the bedrooms, bathrooms, sorry. So I don't know if this will show up on camera. So effectively, we've got a bathroom in this dormer, we've got a bedroom in this dormer, new master bedroom and another bedroom. So yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and then a cupboard on the landing as well. Quite a large space really, isn't it? It's massive. We've got all our UPVC windows. They were delivered, I believe this morning actually, so they're all in place. We have ordered the larch cladding. We're just waiting for that to come now. That's due next week. But Steve and Mario have got more than enough to crack on with their installation. You've got a load on your plate, haven't you, mate?
We do.
But we're watertight, which is the main thing, which is nice. And the back of it has definitely been broken. Yeah, what a space. I just can't believe how much of an open. Considering we're going to get 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms up here, just shows how big a loft it is. What's that, an alarm?
Old ring bell.
Fruity. So we'll play with the insulation as they're putting it down. You'll see that they're putting the insulation back in between the joists, just from a noise point, not thermal, just to help. I know we're waiting on a steel post, which I think come this morning, if not yesterday as well, so that will go in place. Yeah, cracking on really well. Believe we've just got a Velux to put in over there. I'm guessing Steve's probably going to have a conversation with me, say where is that, because I don't think I've ordered that yet, so I need to have a look at that. Plumbers have been in as well, got all their pipes in. Rough first fix position, looks like we've got a stack in and stuff like that as well, just so that we can connect onto it. And we've got our other one in there as well. Has that gone down the bulkhead? Downstairs?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you can imagine, there was a steel bulkhead here. So what we've done is we've put the soil down low and underneath in the ceiling below, just because we've got a Juliet balcony here, so we couldn't put the soil pipe across the face of that because it would block the window. So yeah, thought we'd just show you another example of what we're cracking on with. But we'll pop back here probably once all the walls are up and show you all the different rooms that we've been able to create here, so you can see. But what we'll do, as always, we'll give you that pan now, so then we can pan back to that on another video to look at the difference. Hopefully that was of use, showing you what a bungalow can create as well. So yeah, we often get asked about what bungalows you do and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is a bungalow with a big flat roof dormer at the back and 2 at the front. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Enjoy. Hate it, didn't you?